Welcome back to another vlog, you guys. So today is Wednesday. What is it? Wednesday, January the 4th, I think. Today's the 4th. Yeah, today's the 4th. We're not doing much, so I'm in my jammies at this point. I recently got off work maybe like an hour or two ago. I started dinner before I got off work because Kaden came up to me like, oh, I want spaghetti and meatballs. And I'm like, okay, I have the ingredients. So I'm making them spaghetti and meatballs, salad, and garlic bread. It actually worked out because I was like, that's pretty easy. And I don't have to like run around here trying to figure out what we're having for dinner. So it was a win-win. It's about 7:30. Clarence gets off work at 8. And I sent him like on a little store run. I started out just needing diapers. And then I was like, oh, we need the garlic bread. And oh, Kaden wants ranch. And so he's going to stop at the store. So he probably won't make it home till like 8:30. I'm laying in the bed now. I just finished watching Housewives of Utah, a couple of episodes, because I've been missing it. My hands are dry. Y'all, I want to get like a bougie hand lotion for my side of the bed. I have this little Bath and Body Works one, but I don't know. I just want something fancier. If y'all have any suggestions, drop it down below. Actually, my cousin, she just recently got some stuff from Byredo, and it put Byredo back on my head. And so I'm thinking that I might get a hand cream from Byredo. Whatever. Random thought. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, it is Wednesday. We are not doing anything. I just finished watching a couple of episodes of the Housewives of Utah. Y'all, this season is very, very interesting to me. If y'all watch Housewives of Utah, comment down below. But very interesting little season going on here. But I'm going to finish up dinner because I do need to finish the pasta. And then probably just have some rosé. Y'all, I've been on a little rosé kick since like the holidays. Anyways, so yeah, I may have a little rosé. It's Wednesday night. Sisters comes on, so I'm probably going to be watching that. But yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog with you guys. It's probably going to be like a week vlog. Today's Wednesday, and I will probably vlog over the weekend. So yeah, but let me go downstairs and check on this pasta. This is the rosé that I have literally been living for, and I'm so happy because it's a 2021 vintage. So you know, if you're a wine connoisseur, that getting your white wines or your blushes, your rosés, like in kind of a current year, they taste the best. And this one is from France, so it's, y'all, when I tell you there is a difference, there is a difference. This is so good. So I'm just about to enjoy some of this and wait for Clarence to get home. Like I said, I made the kids spaghetti and meatballs per their request. I just put the spaghetti in. I'm just letting it do its thing real quick, and then I'm gonna mix it all up. I'm waiting for Clarence to get home with the garlic toast and the salad. I'm gonna prep that together. We're gonna eat dinner, and I'm gonna watch Sisters. So just a simple, easy night. But like I said before, I just thought I would go ahead and get the vlog started. Let's enjoy some rosé. So today is Friday. We are headed to get coffee, maybe a little breakfast food or something, and to get a pedicure, and then I need to do some grocery shopping. So it's Friday. I thought I'd bring you guys along with me for the day. I also have a hair appointment at 3, so I won't be looking like this for the whole day. But right now we slick back real quick so we can go run our morning errands. So yeah, just thought I'd pop my head in, getting ready to head out. I want to take my jacket off though. 52 degrees or something. It's kind of cold out today, not gonna lie. I don't have on any makeup. I filled in my brows, throwing some mascara. That's all I got for the girls. Okay. But yeah, I need Starbucks, I need coffee, I need a little breakfast on my tummy. I'm gonna enjoy a pedicure, check some emails, and probably do some like video editing, because I started the vlog but I haven't finished it. So yeah, I have to put a new car charger in here. Okay, all right, you guys, let's go. I'm at Starbucks. It is 10:39, which is good. The nail shop opened at 10, and I'm like 10 minutes away from it. I placed a mobile order for my coffee, but then realized that I was hungry too. So I'm waiting in the line so I can request my mobile order, and then I'm probably gonna get like, I don't know if I want a croissant or like an actual breakfast sandwich. You ever try to gauge like how hungry am I can't really tell.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. This is Laura. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Roya.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing well, and yourself?
I'm good. Did you have a mobile order?
I did. And
right.
Can I add a bacon, Gouda, and egg sandwich?
Of course.
Perfect.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
513.
Thank you. Yeah, so I decided to get a breakfast sandwich. I haven't had the bacon and Gouda in forever. It's one of my favorites. So alright, you guys, got our hair done. Hayden got his hair cut. I got a scalp treatment, a hydration treatment, and a trim and a style. Yeah, but I got my treatments done, got it trimmed, and it feels so much better. Like, my hair feels heavy at the bottom, at the ends, when it needs to trim, and I hate that feeling. So really glad that I got a trim. And now I can go home. Well, we're gonna run to Kroger and then go home. We had checkers while we waited for our appointment slot. And that's it. So all is well in the land, y'all. We're about to head to Kroger really quick, just so I can finish off the groceries before we actually like get in the house. So I will see you guys in a bit. Hey you guys. So we are just pulling up to a birthday party. My little cousin's birthday party is today. So it's the whole family. Kaden, can your door open?